Hi, in this video I wanted to show you guys a little new feature we added to the Serverless Workflow website. If you go to serverlessworkflow.io and get to this main page, you will see a little image here that says Online Workflow Editor. Same link is here if you click on this link here in the navigation. So let's take a look at this online editor. We created this so that you guys can get started with playing with the serverless workflow language. So in addition to our GitHub repository where you can find the specification documents, the examples, the language definition, JSON schemas, and things like that. You can come here and start playing with what you've learned. The editor here works basically the same way as how it works within our serverless workflow VS Code extension. And I'll put a link in the video description to a video where we describe that. So you can come here and it has features like, if I press Control Space here, code completion. So it will show you all the different parameters and constructs that you can use to start writing a serverless workflow based on, of course, the serverless workflow language. So I can start playing with my workflows here, start defining them, and with Control Space, I can see all the different things that I can, for example, start using here. In addition to that, it also defines validation. So I can see here that, for example, I'm missing a property called name, and I'm also missing the definition of my states array, which is the definition of all the control flow logic for my workflow here. But anyway, so in addition to that, you can also select from some of the examples. These examples are all based from our specification. If you go to our specification GitHub repository and go to the examples directory, you will find all of those listed and many more here with detailed description there. So instead of just reading about them, you can try them out here first as well, and maybe change them around and things like that. Start playing with that too. So let's go ahead and select maybe this one. When you either select an example or you write your own workflow here and press the generate workflow diagram, on the right hand side you will see the visual representation of your workflow. So you can check that what you have in either, in JSON right now also visually corresponds to how you wanted to write your serverless workflow. The only other little thing this editor has a little feature that where you can change, the color theme to whatever you would like to have from these options. So yeah, so we basically created this to get you guys up and running. Please let us know if this helps, if you would like to change anything. We're also looking for community contributions as always with the Workflow Online Editor. We wanted to add support, for example, for YAML, as the serverless workflow specification allows for both JSON and YAML formats to be used to describe your workflows and things like that. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy it, and let us know if it's useful. Let us know your experience when trying the serverless workflow online editor. Thanks a lot. Bye.